All right, well, this stock is going absolutely diabolic. Hopefully, you guys, or parabolic. Hopefully, you guys are having a good day. My name is Will Rich. How do you invest in it? Well, if you want to know how to, make sure to join the first access list for our AI stock trading system. It's that first link down below. And if you want to watch me trade live every day, it's that second link down below. Let's get into it. So, this is one of our stocks that we covered yesterday and the day before. And essentially, what I was breaking down in that video was that this is a quantum computing stock that has a supercomputer and that they are going to be one of the players in the quantum computing space. Now, when we broke this stock down, it was literally about 2 days ago. It was right here. Okay. Since then, it's gone up 35%. Now, it did drop a little bit, continued to drop into yesterday before recovering today what is 27% at 1.30%. And so when we look at this stock from a trend perspective, it's kind of holding this trend. I don't want to say it's perfect. I mean, it's highly volatile, but you can see it's holding this trend, obviously, with the support that it validated. But outside of that, you have this really, really great news. So before we get into the news, there's a couple things that I could break down for you. There's three ways that I break down a stock, and you guys that are in our StockMate community that we trade live in each morning, you understand this process. The three-step process is, how do you first find the right market? So we're in quantum computing AI. I believe we're in a great market. So that's the first thing. We're in the right market. Number two is the right analysis. And in that analysis, kind of have like A, B, and C steps, which is the first step. Let's look at the chart. Second step, we could look at the news. And the third step is, what do the financials look like? And then on top of that, third step is, what can we put together a plan? So this is number three, for investing in it and making a profit. So again, three steps. We go from the right market to the right analysis to the right plan. And I think the analysis here on this chart looks pretty promising. So here is a resistance, right? Back earlier in December. And that resistance right there, you can see it again. That resistance kind of acted as this more or less support. Okay. Now here's a new resistance right here. You can see that it got rejected, it pushed down, and that resistance started to act as a support. It even acted as a support right here, as you guys can see. And then we had some new highs. Okay, so this was kind of the new high right there. So you can see, so that right there, that's our new high. And then it acted as a support again. So previous resistances oftentimes act as a support and vice versa, especially in bullish markets. Then we saw it create this new breakout right here. And then it shot up to what was $13 a share. So from the beginning, really from $2 just earlier this month to $13 a share. And then we saw it sell off down here to what was that previous support at $6. And then now it's back up to this previous resistance that it got rejected a little bit at $10. And now it's back down here in this consolidation phase. Now, the next level it's going to bounce at most likely would be right here. So we'd see it maybe sell off, could be into market open on Monday. And if it stays true to pattern with this bullish upward momentum, we'd most likely see it bounce here before continuing its upward direction to, around $10 or $11. And that's kind of how this bullish sentiment would look. The bearish sentiment could be that it sells. If it breaks this level, the next step would be like down here. And then, it could just be a lot more time before it continues up, or it could break below. But holding above this SMA, this moving average, that green line, and this blue line, which is that EMA, is a good thing. Right now, the RSI and the MACD looking overextended. I mean, it had a 27% day today. So we might see it sell off, cool down a little bit. But I could see this stock continuing up. Absolutely. I mean, look at this really consistent kind of trend we're starting to see that we could see play out in the next few months. So Again, it's Rigetti Quantum Computer AI, right? So this is a stock that the chart looks pretty good. I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback, maybe down to this green line, or in this, you know, this $9 range or lower, and that would be a better entry than right now. I mean, right now is probably not the best entry. We could see it probably pull back down here, maybe even to $8 before continuing up. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here with Rigetti on the chart. So again, that the second thing we're going to look at, right, is the Rigetti stock. We could look at the news and what they do. So this is a quantum computer company again, and they're really in the same conversation with QBTS, which we covered the other day as well. Now, I say that not to say, hey, look at all these stocks we're covering. I say that because what you want to look for is these partnerships. You see a lot of mention of them as competing with NVIDIA and things like that, that they could blow GPUs out of the water and things like that. So you want to look at those, but ultimately we want to look at some of their partnerships. So if we look at Rigetti Computing, we kind of take a look directly on their website. There is a few things. So they have a $100 million sale for their stock at a price, at market price, meaning they had a lot of people buy, or investors pay a very good price to institutional investors, to be exact, to purchase a very large amount of their shares. So that was something that just happened really at the end of November. They're in Berkeley, California, so very close to all the Silicon Valley big tech companies, and a lot of the startups are in that area. As far as the news goes, there was just a lot of, hey, we're making advancements. Hey, we're fixing the low latency. Hey, we're building this quantum computer and it's working successfully. AI powered calibration of the quantum computer, and really just that they're making a lot of progress with their quantum computer. Now there was so the news overall looks good. Looks like a bunch of people working on a quantum computer, and they're making a lot of great progress. And so I really liked seeing that. But so the news looks good. But one thing, this is the thing that you're buying when you buy Rigetti stock, is you're buying what could be, which there's no problem with that. That's how I made a large amount of money when I was not even 20 years old, and I bought NVIDIA stock because I saw, wow, AI and all the data centers, and they're looking ahead, and I bought what could be. They weren't even really crushing it at that time. And you probably will have the most success in your life with the vision of what you see. All right, a little bit of a speech there. But what I meant to say is that Rigetti stock doesn't have the best financials, okay? So let's take a look at their financials. This is where it gets a little bit like discerning, right? So their revenue and their earnings per share throughout the entire year have been missed. So they missed it almost every year, every single quarter, except for December of 2023. So basically a year ago. Their profit margins went up a little bit, but their revenue is down 23%. Their net income went up a little bit, but they're basically, operating at, this deficit. It's a negative $14 million net income, and the cost of revenue is going up. So it's really not the healthiest on the financial side. So this is why. Imagine you're making this amazing tool, but you don't have a business to plug it into. They're making this quantum computer. Maybe it's difficult for them to turn a profit right at this moment because they don't have that advantage of being a Google, of being, a Tesla, or of being a Microsoft, where when they create this quantum computer or this advanced tech, they can plug it into their business and immediately start seeing the results in their business from the computer. This quantum computing company, they're like, they don't have that business model that they can plug it into. They can't plug it into their, YouTube or their Google, or they can't plug it into the self-driving cars on Tesla, how they can do it when they have innovations. Instead, now they create this computer. Now they're going to be, basically looking for these companies, these big businesses, that they want to plug in the Rigetti quantum computer into their business. So that's, one of, I would say, there's going to be a lot of demand, but that would be one of the reasons that we don't see their revenue and their profits looking very favorable. So you're buying what could be. Now, if everything goes well and they start really building that out, and they start, let's say, selling their quantum computer to some of these huge companies, I could see the prices of some of these quantum computers being in definitely the hundreds of millions of dollars, if not the billions of dollars. Now they're $2.27 billion market cap. They're one of the smaller companies. If they even reached, I don't know, 25% of that market share that you might see in a company like AMD, which is kind of like they have a smaller share of the chip market. I really love to see what they're growing. They're working with niche markets like Starlink and SpaceX, so AMD's in an awesome place, but I think they're around 150 billion market cap. So let's say that this Rigetti computing started to provide some of these quantum computers for some of the bigger players. It wouldn't be outlandish to see them get to 25% or so of the market cap of AMD, which in that case would put them somewhere around the 30 to 40 billion dollar company. And they wouldn't, be in the Magnificent Seven by any means, even the top 100. But hey, they would absolutely they would be looking at really what would be a 20x from their current price. So from $9, they essentially would get up to, basically $180 a share. And that could be a massive move. So that's, the potential there is what people are buying. It's not that they necessarily have the revenue right now or that the valuation is already there. It's kind of you're buying what could be with Rigetti. So with the financials looking that way, with the news looking that way, and then we look over here and we see this chart and we see kind of this trend happening. I would say it looks a little overextended right now, so be careful. We'd want to wait for some really big catalysts before, I would personally really invest in this. And I'd look for some pullbacks. And maybe, buy, if you're going to buy right now for the short to near term, it could be really scary buying right now. If you're saying I'm going to be holding for a long time, then it might make more sense to, buy it and forget it, or even wait for a better entry, get in and just kind of like, wait a couple years. Like that could be, less scary. If you're trading it, if I'm trading this right now, which we have done this week and we've done very well, I'm up 10% today. We were up 4% yesterday when the market was down by a lot. And part of it is taking advantage of these moves. And I think, if you see it pull back to this $8 range, I'm personally going to be looking at an entry to swing this Rigetti quantum AI stock. So I'll be covering more quantum AI stocks. So you guys want to see the quantum AI stocks and some of the other smaller but up and coming companies in the tech space, I would encourage you guys to definitely subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on some of these stocks. I'm sharing it, and as soon as I share it, these stocks are in crucial times when they're just about to grow or they are making moves. So make sure to turn on that notification bell. For those of you guys that want my AI stock trading system, which I'm launching on December 20th, so right here, right now, I would love for you guys to be a part of it. Join that first access list down below. It's that first link in the description. On top of that, if you guys want to watch me trade live every day, and right now it's not going to get any better than this. We have, if you want to get into the quarter of 2025 and a good notes, you can join Stockmate right now for just $1 a day. That second link in the description to get started. So thank you guys again. I'll see you in the next video. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button to consider subscribing. Wow, I told you a lot of stuff to do, but hopefully you guys enjoy. See you in the next one.